Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today, if you guys own a Glowforge, I have a Christmas present for you guys. I have 7 of my 8 Santa tracker designs that were published last night onto Glowforge's website. I don't know if the 8th one's going to be published later today, or if they skipped over that because it looks like the link is missing. It may have gotten lost in translation. I'll resubmit that, but it'll probably get added next year since December is going to be starting tomorrow. These are good for all of December. Let's go ahead and show you quickly what these look like here. It'll look like this. This is the Santa trackers that I'm talking about. And here's links on each design to all of the other ones, so you can't miss them. They still need to add that little snowman one. Hopefully I can get it in there. If not this year, it'll probably be next year. No big deal. Now, if you guys own a laser engraver that's not a Glowforge and you want to buy these, I have them on Glowforge Premium as well. You can buy them individually if you want to, or you can get them a little bit cheaper on Etsy.com, and then my shop name is Fresh Start Customs. I'll have them on the first page for right now as of this recording, but I'll probably change this up and they'll be under holiday items, so you can check under holiday items anytime and quickly find them there. With all that said, let's go back to Glowforge, show you guys how to get access to this. All you got to do is come up to the shop, click on Design Catalog. That'll open this site here. You can click on Browse Catalog Designs. And then you can either scroll endlessly through this. There's so many designs that they have. Or to find mine quickly, just come down to Designer. You'll type in my name, Josh, or Fresh Start Customs, and you can check the little box right there. These are all my designs. I have a large amount of designs on here. It'll take you a while to scroll through all these. Towards the bottom is my new designs for the Santa trackers right here. So as you can see, we have the polar bear, we have the little penguin, and then they all have unique sayings on them. I think the sayings are kind of cool. You can change out the sayings if you want to. I put them in a separate group. You may have to ungroup them. And then all of the QR codes are the same. It'll bring you to the Santa tracking website, the official Santa tracking website. So if you have kids, it'll track them. You guys can print these off, sell the end products of these. It seems to be super popular. I'm the only one that I've ever seen do a stand version of this. A lot of people will do them in ornament forms, so I've never seen any other person do a stand like this. So it's kind of a unique selling point too. So super cool thing here. I really like the little Bigfoot one here. It's pretty cool. And then here was my original one, was the Santa tracker here. The elf, I kind of mixed it up a little bit, and I just put Santa tracker underneath him instead of a little bubble saying. So he's a little bit different than the rest, but overall, I'm really happy with how all these turned out. A lot of people have a lot of positive feedback from this. And then, like I said, these will all be free if you have Glowforge Premium subscription now. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little Christmas present there. I know a lot of people have been asking me to add more stuff to the Glowforge catalog. I think I have over 75 designs now in the Glowforge catalog, so check that out. I'd really appreciate it if you download and print off any of my designs. There is so many designs I have in here. It's kind of crazy. You can even build your own little panda army. As you can see, I got all sorts of different little pandas here. But yeah, overall, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys own a different laser engraver, I'd really appreciate it if you purchase these designs from us on Etsy. Right now, it is on sale for our cyber sale. That's going to end really soon. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and I hope you had a good Thanksgiving as well. Thanks for watching.